who am I to judge? Where do I come off judging other people? I've been a drug addict. I've been clean and sober almost 15 years. I've been an alcoholic. I've been a drug addict. I used to smoke cigarettes. I've been sleeping on the concrete. I started my business on TikTok. That's where I started to, I'm Worth It Incorporated started to take off, was on TikTok. And I started during the pandemic. Now I have almost 190,000 followers, fans, whatever you want to call them, that I call family because I want to help you. TikTok helped me step up. But and a lot of bullying goes on TikTok. I want you to know. And people started bullying me on my YouTube channel. And you're going to see this on TikTok everywhere. But here's the thing. People judge you and bully you because they don't like themselves. And they want it to find their own significance through you because people know that you know your worth and other people know that.